Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something pretty neat. The folks at Nongshim, America shot this over. This is Army Stew with chili beans. Alright, so if you don't know what this is supposed to be, I will tell you. So there used to be, so the US was in South Korea during the Korean War, right? Well, when we left a lot of the foods that were issued to troops over there. So you had like beanie weenie, macaroni, sausage, salami, things that are pretty shelf-stable, cheese, stuff like that. Well, this is supposed to be like a dish called budai jigai. And budai jigai is called troop stew or army stew. So it's really good. I've had two of them on the top 10 list before. And I think both of those varieties are off the market, and it was just like, but they're so freaking good, why do you do that to me? But they did that to me, so you never know if this sucker's good. We may have another one. Oh, I'm making a mess. Anyways, yeah, actually, I'll save that bag for the collection. And then you put the noodles. There is a lot in this sachet, folks. I'll bet you there's a little bit of macaroni, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Looks like meat-like things. Definitely there's beans. And there's the powder sachet. Oh yeah, this smells just about, oh come on. Cook. 4 minutes. So, I was having a good day until the butter fell out of the thing. Yeah, I'm having a good day. Although, I'm kind of bummed. So today is Friday, and well, my wife, her grandma died a few months ago, and they had a, what do you call it? A special gathering, and they had a funeral, and now they're having a, you know what I mean? It's like a special remembrance ceremony kind of thing where everybody gets together and talks about her grandma. And she was a rad lady. She was really cool. And anyways, so her and Mimi flew down for that to California, and me and Miles are staying here. She's kind of pensive. I miss her, but I've kind of got multiple projects going on right now. First is getting my student loan crap figured out. If you're a long-time listener, then you understand I've had to deal with this multiple times. But I think I got it hammered out. My feet hurt. Like they really hurt. I've walked, it says on the Fitbit app that I've done 19.79 miles today. And the reason for that is I got invited by this lady to this group called the 2020 group. And that's to do 2020 miles in the year 2020. That's like, might sound like a lot, and it is kind of a lot, but to me, that's like nothing. I do usually close to 300 a month, so that'll be hard. But there's a leaderboard, and I used to be so competitive, but these days, oh yeah, especially when it comes to like Fitbit crap. So I took it upon myself to try to defeat this guy. So at the moment, I'm at 212,000 steps in the last 7 days. So it's like you add up all 7 days, and then that's your current score on the leaderboard. The other guy's 5,000 steps in front of me, which is like 50 minutes of walking. It's really not a lot. Man, my feet are killing me right now. Might end up walking down to the store with Miles when he gets done with school. That'll be nice. Although it is threatening rain. Clouds keep coming and going. But we shall see. And I've decided, like at least today, I'm throwing the diet out the window. Although, I mean, you walk 20 miles, you're gonna have to do pretty bad to screw that up. But I've been eating a lot of cinnamon graham crackers with blackberry preserves and crunchy peanut butter. It just sounded really good, so that's what I've been doing today. A lot of carb, a bunch of protein. Kind of the right thing to have if you're going to be doing all that activity, I guess. So, anyways, the magic has arrived. It smells freaking wonderful. I'm very, very curious about this one. So this is something you see an awful lot. One thing Troops had apparently was Spam, and this looks like a Spam kind of bit. It's Spam or fish cake? It's kind of a kimchi element too. Yeah, this is really good. I'm really liking this already. It's hot. I mean, it's spicy hot, which is nice. But it's like, it's been boiling, so. Now, where's these beans? There's a bean. Oh. Come on, beans. That's not a bean. Looks like kimchi. Come on, a bean. Is this a bean? That's gotta be a bean. Not a bean. That's a bean, alright. That's good. I'm happy. Alright. So, I've had budai jigai at restaurants before, and I've loved it. I need to add things to it. We're gonna start with some pork. There's some pork. But yeah, this is really good stuff. I'm impressed. I dropped the foot cheese on the floor. There's the pork. I went to the store special. Some salami. You'd be like, how are you going to put that in there? I'm going to stir it, okay? I'm going to stir it. Hopefully it'll fold up. I think that's what it did at the restaurant. It just kind of folded up and stayed put. Oh. Man, God, it's so greasy. I went to the store yesterday, and I'm like, no, how can I help you? I'm like, yeah, I need an ounce of salami. The little old lady's like, oh, you want a pound? I'm like, no, just an ounce. She made that look. She was just like mugging at me for like, it felt like forever. She was like, an ounce? I'm like, yeah, only an ounce. Very small, very small. Like, it was like, it totally messed with her. She was like thinking I was being a joker or something. I'm like, no, it's for a noodle dish. And like a lot of the ladies that work at the little Safeway deli, a lot of them are Asian. She, oh, you make noodle? What kind of noodle you make? Blah, 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 blah. And she was like ultra talkative after that. I think she was Vietnamese. I'm not sure. Nice lady. But you know what we need? Nothing is more fun to add to Korean noodles. And when mentioned in I believe it was a tweet from the New York Times, people got really mad about it, even though it's okay because they do it over there. Some cheese! And if you're gonna have cheese, why not have some mac and cheese? Now this is a hard thing to maneuver, but I'm gonna do my best. I think that might just work like that. Ugh. You're like, why are you making that noise, dude? Because I don't eat this stuff ever anymore. This is really where it's at. Like I said, I'm being bad today, so I'm probably going to walk another 10,000 steps, which is like another 5 miles, just so I can totally get ahead. Because what's funny is that this guy's probably like, oh, we'll only be able to do it one day. Well, it's accumulation of the last 7 days you've done exercise on Fitbit. 7 days ago, the one tomorrow that'll be going away, that one I only did like 4,000 steps, which is nothing. So it's just gonna like pad it really well, if that makes any sense. It makes sense. But yeah, so that's kind of, I'll get up early. If Miles will probably like, Papa, what are you doing? Papa, what are you doing? Be like, I'm walking, I'm healthy, exercise. Okay, Papa. Okay. I'm like, I'm fine. No, it's good. It's good. This is a good thing. Yeah, I'm hoping he'll want to go for a walk with me. But yeah, like I said, he's kind of weirded out that Mom's not here. It's like, you want to talk to Mom? Do you want to talk to Mimi? No. No. That I'm going to call good. Wow, and that I'm gonna eat. I think I got time to do a mukbang. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Rotato, do your magic. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat this. You can watch. You wanna watch? Okay.
The Mayonnaise Tower was unearthed in 1908 by renowned paleontologist Turd Ferguson. Noted for its scent of cheese and a palace for the ancient mayonnaise kings, the tower has captured the minds and bowels of millions, most notably the chairman of the Antwerp charity Rambling Stoats Manevers.